Hello, my dear children. How are you all? I know you all are very fit and fine and healthy. So, my dear kids, before going to start science preparatory video, I would like to wish you all in advance a very happy 75th Independence Day, and I would like to congratulate all the kids and the parents, both of them, those who have taken part in Tricolor Independence Day activity. है ना? You all did a fabulous job. Very well done. Okay. Chalo. Now let's continue our preparatory video. Okay. Chalo. As we know, we have already completed lesson number 5, food and health explanation part, and we have completed textbook work, and similarly we have already completed our dictation words and scientific terms, right? So what we have learned in lesson number 5? Our lesson number 5 was food and health. Okay. So in this lesson we have learned about the nutrients which is present in food, like proteins, carbohydrates, fats, protein, vitamins and minerals. Similarly, water and rough phase are essential for the body, right? So protein help in growth and repair of the body cells. That's why we are calling protein is a body building food. Okay. Fats protect body parts and maintain body temperature and give energy. And what about carbohydrates? Carbohydrates are the main energy source for the body and are easy to digest. And carbohydrates and fats both are energy giving food. Okay, let's talk about minerals and vitamins. Okay. So, minerals and vitamins are required in small quantity and help in proper functioning of different body system. And minerals and vitamins are protective food. Okay. So, in this lesson we have already learned about the water and rough phase. Why water is important for us? Because water helps the various body system to work. It helps smooth joint movement, maintain our body temperature, protect delicate body part, fight diseases, and is important for the skin, hair and our eyes. Okay, let's talk about rough phase. So rough phase help the body to get rid of waste, right? And in this lesson we have learned about the diseases, type of diseases, communicable disease and non-communicable disease. Disease that can spread from one person to another, it's called communicable disease, and disease that does not spread from one person to another person is called non-communicable disease. Okay. So germs like virus, bacteria and protozoa causes infectious disease. Okay. And we know disease is spread through physical contact with the infected person and also through air, water and food and insects. Okay. So disease can be prevented or controlled by maintaining personal or general hygiene, right? And we have to take vaccination and we have to take correct medicines. Okay? Okay. And similarly, in this chapter, we have learned about why exercise and rest are important for our body, because physical exercise make our body strong and healthy, and if we are taking rest, our muscles relax and our breathing and heartbeat slow. Okay. So in our upcoming week, we will continue our question answer. In this chapter, we have total 13 question answers. So we will do in our upcoming week. So question number 1 is why we need food? And the answer is we need food to get energy, build and repair our body and recover quickly when we are ill. Okay. Now number 2 is what are nutrients? Name the essential nutrients present in food. So nutrients are useful substances that give energy to grow, and the essential nutrients are carbohydrates, fat, protein, vitamins and minerals. Okay. Now question number 3 is, why are proteins important for us? Because they help us to grow and are used to build and repair worn out cells in our body, right? Okay. Now question number 4 is, name food rich in carbohydrates and fats. Why are carbohydrates and fats important? So food rich in carbohydrates are rice, wheat and potato. Am I right? Okay. And food rich in fats are ghee, oil, butter. And what are the importance? Because they are the main source of our energy. Both are energy giving food. Now question number 5 is, what is roughage and why is it important? So roughage is the fiber which is present in the food, and it helps the body to get rid of waste and thus prevents constipation. Now question number 6 is, why are vitamins and minerals essential? Name a few of them. So we all know vitamins and minerals are essential because they help the different body system to function properly, right? And some vitamins are vitamin A, B, C, D, and some minerals are calcium, iodine, iron and phosphorus. Okay. Now let's talk about question number 7. What is balanced diet? Okay. So balanced diet is a diet that contains all nutrients in the right amount. Question number 8 is, how is malnutrition caused? Give any 2 symptoms of malnutrition. So malnutrition is caused by lack of nutrient rich diet over a long period of time, and 2 symptoms are patchy skin and swollen stomach. Now go to the question number 9. Distinguish between communicable and non-communicable disease. So communicable disease that spread from one person to another person through physical contact with the infected person, air, water, food and insects, right? And non-communicable disease that do not spread from one person to another person and caused due to the deficiency of nutrient or malfunctioning of body parts like kidney and liver. Okay, let's go to the question number 10. Give 4 ways by which infectious disease spread. So 4 ways are air, insect, food and water. Okay. Now question number 11 is, how can we prevent diseases from spreading? So we can prevent disease from spreading by maintaining our personal and general hygiene. Okay. Now question number 12 is, why is physical exercise essential for our body? Okay, so physical exercise is essential for our body because it makes it strong and healthy. Okay, and the last question is, why is it important to rest? Why rest is important for us? Because it is important to rest because it refreshes. Second thing is, help our muscles to relax and allow our body to grow and repair itself. Okay, so I hope you can easily understand this preparatory video. Okay, have a nice day children, and wish you again a happy Independence Day in advance. Okay.